everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to redeem your Tango gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser in order to begin. Go to the address bar at the top and type in www.tangocard.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Tango Card, which looks like this. Go ahead and log into your account if necessary, or you can simply click on the sign in or redeem link at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see a pop-up. From the options displayed, select redeem a Tango card link, and on the next screen, enter your Tango gift card number in the first text field and head over to the next field and enter your PIN number. After you're done, click on I'm not a robot, complete the CAPTCHA that you can see in the pop-up, click on verify, and finally click on the activate button in order to redeem your gift card for Tango. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.